all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
Cleaned the 3 valve up a little bit. Got a fresh detail. Yeah, this car has been pretty reliable for the most part, but then again, it also does have 120,000 miles on it, so.
Well, it can't be that way. So then, which way does this way go?
GT500 getting American Racing long tube headers. Abraham's been wrenching at the car all day, but she's getting American Racing long tube headers. It's gonna sound good. Has the high flow cats with their X pipe, and then also the Borla attack catback. So it'll sound really healthy. Yeah.
Damn, those brakes got no fucking room.
Oh yeah, it's, well, I don't even know. Hey, I think the rear one's rubbing, because when I drive I hear a hiss.
Are these like 16s or what are they?
They're like 12s.
What?
Like 12s. No, they're like 17s. Does it look okay? I mean,
I'll tell you one thing, it looks a whole hell of a lot better than what.
Oh yeah, it drives cool.
Yeah?
Nah, it's smooth. Like, it feels like a GT350 now. No, I swear to God. I mean, the stance is pretty good. It just needs some wheels, and then you're good.
I'm not gonna lie, with those bullets look clean.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'll
Just
tell you this right now.
We just need some deep dishes.
You know the only thing that it needs to look like fucking hella good?
What?
Fucking hardtop.
Okay, I know he didn't just say that.
And you fucking throw a hardtop?
No, what you do
It'll
is...
be a real Mustang if you throw a hardtop on it.
Hold up. I haven't done this in a quick minute. This is the first time in 6 years.
Drop the top.
It sounds like it's dying. Remember?
I think those wheels are 17s, so I think if
They are 17s.
Yeah, I think 18s and then with like some taller tire. Or was it Pro Truck at the time, huh?
Yeah.
What exhaust does it have?
Flowmaster Outlaws. So the 3 valve has a Lido tune, BBK intake, and Flowmaster Outlaws, but doesn't really count. With the ITSX tuner right here. But let's find a gas station that's close by.
Look, it's Barry McGuire.
Okay, this doesn't have Brembo brakes, okay, so just gotta take it easy. Is that a G8? Oh, it was.
I gotta see it in the light.
Oh my God, guys, look, I timed it perfectly. Oh shoot, little 65. Okay, let's go gap him. We gotta go gap him. Plug the tuner in. We're gonna plug this into
Where's right here?
Yeah, OBD, no, left. You basically connect through Bluetooth. So I have it already paired up. It's gonna be, I have so many freaking stuff. Okay, SCT, it's already connected, cool. So we got the ITSX app open, Duo. So we're gonna go to program, start programming. So the tune that mine was tuned 4. We're gonna use the default options, no need to do anything. So we're gonna send this to vehicle. So the key's on, okay?
Yeah.
So the tune is almost done, clearing DTCs. Okay, cool. Turn off the key. All right, we can start it. Sounds different. The tune is a Lido tune. It's not no Bama tune, because the Bama tune was making the car knock a long time ago. Like, actually literally knock. Like, I could hear it knocking when we floored it.
Was it?
Yeah, so. Is it 2 valve? It has a Cobra bumper.
That shit looks clean.
How's it feel?
It's cool. I mean,
Just let it like cycle through, you know, because it has the 87 still. We'll drive for a little bit. I don't know if we'll do any major pulls, but you know, that's easy to tune a 3 valve. So we just added like 60 horsepower. No, I'm just kidding. But I will say that between the 87 and 91, I did race my buddy's car and I beat him on the 91. I lost on the 87. It does make a difference. I went from losing by a car to winning by a car. So the 91 does end up making a difference. I think we really could in the 3V. Sounds good, sounds good. I remember when this car was fully straight piped, like all straight piped, like it was horrible. It sounded like, I don't even know how to describe it.
Oh! Oh. Oh, crap. Oh. It popped. Oh my god, you're good. Oh.
Like cats?
Dude, it sounded like, okay.
Like two cats looking in a dumpster.
Yeah, it sounded like, I don't even know how to describe it, guys. It just did not sound good. It had the pipes off-road X-pipe to Flowmaster Outlaws, and there's no resonators on these cars, so it's like straight piped. So it's it was stupid loud. No tone, but shit, I mean, we were putting in work with that car. You know, we weren't fast, but we sounded fast. That was most important. Do a little pull, I think we'd be okay. Yeah. A little bit. Feels good. Walt, give us a progress update. What's going on?
Still trying to get it on.
The header?
Yep, trying to get these both started. Light. With the light.
Have me out like a light. The starter's coming out.
I don't know, but how loose can these be?
Oh yeah, the little spike. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. That's the high flow cat right there. So we're still smog legal. You know, no need to fret. Did you see me? You couldn't see me?
No.
Not a little bit? You're right there. American Racing headers.
Just a little bit more.
Header? Oh shit.
It does look better.
Oh shit, dude.
I mean, it looks, it's a little, I don't know.
I mean, it needs to be pushing a little bit, but
You'll be okay. You good? Oh, right now? Oh. Oh shoot, I'm not ready. Hold up. Wait.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Freaking Walt.
Yeah, killed his ass.
That was Sheesh. Sounds good. God damn. That's some nice ass tone too. Like little rev or what? God damn. That fresh exhaust smoke too. Damn.
That sounds good.
that sounds crazy loud.
Yeah, sounds good. Hell yeah.
Hey.
Any leaks or what?
Huh?
Leaks or not?
Nah, I just bring all the
The oil's off, right? Yeah. That's crazy.
Damn.
Sounds good.
I was sleeping
Sheesh. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, that's cool.
Sounds good. God damn. It's just crazy.